Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. The OnePlus 6T T-Mobile variant. Shooting this video in 4K 60 frames per second. You got a 5-minute limit. Why? Well, a couple reasons right off the top of my head. Overheating. Possible shutdown due to overheating. Number two, shooting video in 30 frames per second, let alone 60 frames per second, it's going to use up a lot of storage. So, not every smartphone out there that gives you 4K video 60 frames per second has a limit. But I understand why we would have that limit there. Let me know how everything looks with the OnePlus 6T shooting this video in 4K 60 frames FPS. As Jay Will would say, FPS, FIPS. It's raining out, a little bit of blue sky, gray clouds, white clouds, a mixture of everything, 67 degrees. It's windy, it's fall. Set the clock back last night on the one that I have one in the bedroom that you actually have to set back. Smartphones, well, they do that by themselves, right? What's the audio quality like? What's the visuals like? Woo! Yeah! Some good music right there. Look, we're looking for any kind of focus hunting, blurring effects, jello effects. Let me know. 4K vid. Totally digging this device. I'm actually using the Face Unlock a lot more than I'm using the fingerprint reader. When I use my right thumb, it works, and I entered it twice. It works way better than my thumb on my left hand, which I entered twice as well. It's a hit and miss. So I hope that there will be a software update to allow the sensitivity of the fingerprint reader, in-display fingerprint reader, to do better than what it's doing right now. And with my right hand, right thumb, about 90% of the time, it's doing great. You still have to wait just that little bit of I mean, we're so used to super fast fingerprint readers, so waiting that extra millisecond is like, but I mean, it's not a deal breaker. It's not a deal breaker, but it's a little bit slower than most smartphones with fingerprint readers on the back or on the front bottom shin of a device, or even one that doubles up with the power button. So, and not every smartphone out there is super fast, but there's a lot of them that are. And the Pocophone F1 is just the fastest fingerprint reader on the planet, in my opinion. But I don't mind the wait. It's cool. The technology is cool, and it's going to get better. I'm just hoping for a software update from OnePlus to better the experience. Face Unlock is crazy fast. It's just ridiculous. And I'm just getting used to using that Face Unlock. And that's something that I typically don't use, but I'm really digging that functionality with the OnePlus 6T. So 4K video, 60 frames per second. Let me know how everything looks. That's it. We're at 3 minutes, 49 seconds. So I'm not even going to use all 5 minutes. But let me know how everything looks. I'm out. God bless.